Yeah, it's like yummier than any of the. Hi guys, it's Aliana and Mana, and we're the Cordova princesses. Today we're gonna be making ice cream. Yeah.
Again?
No. But it's gonna be chocolate. Yeah. You know that it's chocolate, guys, because they're chocolate chips. Yeah, I mean, here is the powder is chocolate. So guys, first we have cream again. Yeah. And all the same thing from the cookies and cream, but instead of the
Oreos.
we have these for the toppings, and
what's that?
also cocoa powder. Yeah, this is the same, and this is it's the same. Like it's cookie and cream. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
First?
We need the cream. Put in.
Yes.
Oh,
All of it.
all of it. Back. It's like a big blob. No, not. Why? Don't I really need careful. You're so loud.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Do it.
Oh, slimy again. It's my first time.
No, it's your second time.
Yeah, it's my second time after cookies and cream video. Finish.
All of it.
That looks so chocolatey. It's not even chocolate. Oh, I mean, it looks so yellow.
And then cocoa powder. You get the cocoa powder, Miss.
Okay. I want to do it. Okay,
You're
you
gonna
can
do it.
We're going to do together. All of it?
Yes, all of it.
Chocototo. It looks so chocolatey.
Yes.
Chocototo. Not the party again.
Both hands, Minute. Use your both hands.
Let me hold the ball first.
You hold the ball.
I hold the yeah.
Okay.
My
I think
hand
it's
has
done.
rabbit.
What do you think? Oh.
Yeah, let me taste.
How was it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, we were just dancing for a little bit, but now we're gonna put the thing that we made in these containers. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, wow. Funky. This looks like
Real
yummy
chocolate?
chocolate.
Of course.
Did I put all of it? No, I didn't. This one is so harder than I thought it would be. Then
Maybe you need spoon, Minute.
I guess that's okay.
Yeah, I think you need spoon.
You might know that there's yellow ones because I don't have enough of chocolate chips, so we don't.
Because you eat it all. Right?
Yeah, so.
Nag-use the caramel one. Okay.
Yeah. Don't put.
Is it done?
Not yet. This
Not yet.
is not done.
Okay, continue.
This one is not done. I don't think it's a lot of food by school. It's not gonna be any. Look at that. Oh, it looks so yummy, guys. Eat it after. Now I'm not gonna save one so I can eat it after. I'm gonna save these so I can eat it after, but only the chocolate ones. They look so yummy in my tummy.
Okay, I think it's done.
Yeah, it's all mine. So guys, now we're gonna freeze it for 6 hours. Yeah, I'll get this up.
No, close it first.
Oh.
Close it up first. Can you do it?
You need 3. Yeah, one last one. So guys, now we're gonna put it in the silver foil.
And wait for 6
hours.
Okay. Let us go.
Oh, okay guys, so now it's the final time now. It's ice cream time. Yeah. Oh, I can't.
You can't open it?
I'm opening it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at it.
Where is our spoons? Yay. So excited to taste. I'm gonna taste it with this.
So good and tasty.
Oh my god, it's so yummy.
Uh-oh.
Wow, it's so yummy! I can eat it. I can like make your own ice cream and help everyone with because it's easy. A video. We should make like vanilla ice cream soon as well. Can we make rainbow ice cream?
No. We can't do that.